Bella, Mr. Bill Gates, buying land at. What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com. Whoa, that is an awesome picture. Not to jump off the subject there, but that's great. And covering some more Q&A that had came in, and people are really wondering where Bill Gates is buying land at, which is smart because wherever super wealthy people are buying land, you may want to be investing in land as well. So I did a little research on this, and it looks like this past year, Bill Gates dropped $171 million on land in southern Washington state. It's primarily farmland. It looks like 14,500 acres of this is farmland. 10,500 acres of this is irrigated farmland. And then 3,900 acres is rangeland, along with 140 acres in an area known as Horse Heaven Hills. So that's probably some serious baller stuff that most of us would not be able to tap into. But if we wanted to start investing in Washington State, southern Washington State even, I would go over to sites like LandWatch, landandfarm.com, LandFlip, Craigslist, Realtor.com, hit all the major sites and start researching what the land values are in the area, and then connect with these sellers over there. Just click on their profiles, get over to their websites, and see if you can connect and land a great deal in similar areas. If the big fish are buying there, you may want to have a little bit of that in your portfolio as well. Now, something else that I found that I thought was really cool, and this is the first time I heard of this, he actually dropped $80 million in 2017 for 25,000 acres west of Phoenix in Arizona, just straight up desert land. And what he is doing is building a smart city from the ground up. Now, I've never done anything in Washington State, but I've done a ton of investing in Arizona, and it's always been a good experience. So same scenario, I would go over to like LandWatch, start there, just to figure out what people are listing, the values of desert land in similar areas if you wanted to get in on the trend or follow his lead. And land in Arizona is super affordable, along with the taxes are super low as well. So that's what makes it a great investment. There's very minimal overhead with if you're just doing a buy and hold strategy. So keep that in mind while you're shopping there. Just go ahead and find who's listing the land. Always visit their sites to see if they have better deals on their sites, know the values, and then make offers. And you could just scout daily. Like I said, I'm on LandWatch right now. We're searching out properties low to high. You know, you got a seller finance deal here, $500 down, $250 a month. You could buy these tiny lots for $500 and then turn around and seller finance them, or check the values. They may actually be worth $1,000, and you could just drop money and pick up the appreciation right away. You know, $500 in extra equity to your portfolio. So there's tons of ways to make money with this. So follow the trends. You know, certainly see what the super wealthy are doing. And then obviously most of us can't drop $171 million on a parcel of land, but you get in on these smaller slivers and start building out your portfolio that way, and then turn around and sell them to preppers, campers, people that want to build tiny homes on them, buy and hold for long-term appreciation. There is tons of strategy on the back end of this that you could profit of with buying and selling raw land. Now, if you want to learn more about buying and selling raw land, check the links in the description there. I got a lot of resources there, but at the landflippingformula.com, I have a completely free audio over there that you can leverage to go ahead and figure out how to get into the game, make your first few small investments, and then how to profit from those. So links will be in the description for that. If you have any questions about investing in raw land, be sure to comment below. I will create a video answering that for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.